Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and I didn't realize how much I needed a fast charger in my life until I got this super fast charger from Samsung. This is the 25 watts and it's USB-C compatible, so any cable that has a USB-C is going to work with it. Can charge up any device that's compatible with that. So I used it to charge the Kindle, the Galaxy Note, and I'm using it now to charge my Galaxy S23 Ultra. I absolutely love it. Last night I came home, my phone was on 32%, and in less than an hour, it was fully charged. It's great for my lifestyle because I am always on the go and I'm always running from one place to another, and inevitably my phone battery is dying. So I can come home in between work or other errands that I'm running and throw my phone on the charger while I get ready. I don't take very long to get ready, so it's great that it's fast charging. Pretty much all of our devices nowadays come with their own cables, but hardly any come with the block. So if you want to supercharge your devices super fast, check out this block from Samsung. You're going to love it. I do. And that's my point of view.